Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I will discuss that how to stop draining of battery in your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and find battery. Here you can see power saving mode, turn it on. On second number you can find background usage limits. So open it and here enable put in used apps to sleep mode. And in last you can see deep sleep mode, open it and you can find a list of apps. So click on plus sign. Select all apps option, and in last click on add button. In this way all apps will be shifted to sleep mode, because these apps use a lot of data. Now go back to battery option and on third number, you can see battery protection option, enable it also. So in this way you can save a lot battery and data also. If you find this video helpful, do like it and subscribe my channel for more tech updates.